You like it?
Yeah.
You like it? Nice.
See there? East Indian, nice East Indian. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, man, let's sleep, let's rub your man.
Yeah, man, man.
I didn't know that go on him.
Yeah.
Strong enough.
It's like a slab of concrete, you know, man. Alright, so we'll make a way go up where the tree them there, you know. You see it, so around 5 different trees. We have couple seed out there, couple bitter wood, what they call it. Okay. Yeah, man. Who's this?
Jaden.
Yeah. Yeah, man. So them wood there ideal for what we are doing, you know. Yeah, man. Alright, Kyrie, who you TC? Hello, Kyrie. Yeah. Yeah, my general. So I hope a little things more, little understanding more and get, you know. But the whole tree cutting thing, and in terms of if you know the different usage where people want the wood for, you know what kind of thickness for cut and so on. Yeah. If a furniture, or if a door, or if a door jam, you know what is what. Yeah. Okay.
So like I'll door jam, you know.
Yeah.
I cut plank 2 inch, 2 1/4, then dress it up.
Yeah, you go down to 2.
Yeah.
Okay.
I make connection rail from bed.
Connection rail, what is that?
That's at the bedside.
Okay.
Yeah, that I call it a connection rail.
Yeah.
So I cut 1 inch.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, it depends on the width. The bed we are gonna make.
Yeah.
Bed we draw.
Yeah.
If I cut the board them 11 inches. That's wide enough can make the drawing and things.
Okay, okay.
Yeah,
because I have different use for the wood them, you know. You understand? More make door jam, right? More make furniture. Probably do some trimming for the front of the house and them little thing there, you know? Yeah, man. So we doing maths.
Yeah, man, we'll get started and get the thing up and running, right?
Alright, yes, man. Alright, yeah. Yeah, my lad. So your name, by the way?
Lenky, my name.
Lenky?
Yeah.
Alright, so you're tall?
Yeah, no really.
I know because you're tall?
No,
so make them call it so?
Just give me that name there.
You probably don't remember, but I probably see you tall. Me tall too, you know.
Yeah.
I mean, the roughly up on the same height, you see it?
Yeah.
So probably when you're younger, you're tall. You see it? Lenky, yeah. So, alright, so how you know when the tree fit for can cut?
Alright, you have a look upon like the skin of it and the leaf.
Yeah.
They may take spring and on, but the spring kind of wear off it.
Okay, that the seed that we look on there, so?
Yeah.
Okay, well, I see that tree in front of we guys, soon show now. Yeah. So you say the take spring but look like it alright now?
Yeah, the spring off it, so it can cut.
Okay.
What does that mean by take spring?
The spring, it have more water in it. It catch more water in it. If you cut the board them when it's not the full spring, you cut the board them and then just bend up.
Okay. Because too much water content that time there.
So meanwhile the water drain out of it a bend. So the spring off it, you know.
Yeah.
So a good time to cut, you know.
Okay. Yeah. So it's springtime, it's not a good time for cut tree?
No, springtime is not a good time for cut.
Oh, so like the other day when we did a line link up for cut, that probably wouldn't right?
Right.
Oh, so like no right time?
Yeah.
Okay, okay. Right, so we talk about dark night. For cut tree a dark night. Why is that? Why is that?
Dark night, no, less weeble.
Weeble?
Yeah, that's the thing when they call bore. Bore and trouble the lumber when you cut it.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. So, guys, what I mean by dark night, certain time at the moment, when you look on the calendar, that I would like when I say now, when you have full moon a bright night, and dark night you can't see the moon at all in the sky, right? So most time I like in a month. Based on me I look on the calendar from where they in a month me I see the dark night them. In a month to new month, right there so. That weekend there.
And so that's the right time for deal with lumber, you know?
Right, like now so wait till the end of month to new month before we come again, you know? Yeah, so you never work out 1 or 2 months before and we just have to ensure say we come when as the man them call it the dark night. And I see them with all fishing too, you know. The fishermen them sometimes them prefer dark night. Because when a dark night the fish them come up more upon the surface of the water. You know? So them get more fish that time there, you know? Yeah, you know? So I go and Rusty. So you walk with your pick stick.
Yeah, you see.
Yeah. So what in that place you can get?
I'm apple there, them is.
So apple, yeah, see them there? Yeah, some nice pretty apple there, man. Yeah, man, them fat, man. Them fat. Yeah.
Yeah, them are there, they little piece.
Yes, Kyrie. Apple up head, over your head.
Yeah, to see the apple? Yeah, show the apple.
So we have a couple Eastern and some more mango with there, the boy place.
Yeah, so they have the little pieces.
Okay.
So how you been going, Rusty?
Well, you have to give thanks here. You have to give thanks for good words, isn't it?
True, man. Alright, you want to stand?
I'm going.
Man, must want to touch the earth, man, over there. I don't want to touch the earth, man.
I want more rum.
Where you say? Yeah.
So you can't do that to the train.
Yeah, man, you're doing it, yeah, man.
That one is hard to kill.
Yeah, that one you have to limit off and that's that one, you know.
Oh, this what?
So this one, they must say where they're too close to the fall cub.
Not even the fall cub, because when I drop it on the cub, but you have to go out that tree, you know.
Yeah.
Cut a tree.
This tree, this is our bitter wood this.
This? No, man, cedar.
This is cedar.
Yeah. In terms of go drop that tree like so.
Yeah.
Over that side there.
Yeah.
But you know, all the crop in the pine tree, we don't really want to damage your apple tree right here.
Okay.
So what's up the pine tree there, so we don't really want
soursop tree, apple tree, all them, they're right in the ear. See, soursop there on the tree, one big fat soursop. So, yeah. It can pick today?
Yeah, man, that's ready to pick.
Ready for pick. See there, guys? See that? Yeah, man. See there?
Nice.
See there? Whoa.
Nice.
Why, oh boy. Delicate, but I want to damage it.
So nice.
See there? Yes. Yeah. I know when soursop ripe in there, rotten fast. You have to use it quick. See there? A nice soursop, man.
Yo, play near back them, Sebeb.
Yeah, man. Soursop in on me back.
Wow. Oh, to eat the apple, them here, no people. You can kiss mango tree then?
No.
No? You won't even try it, no?
Thank you.
You know what I think the juice is in
Of course.
Yeah.
Some more want make little juice to that little one there. And that big one there right there, so.
Yeah. Just put it in. You come put on and come. Come on this.
You seen that? Daddy catching all the apples.
I'm washing my apple.
Yeah, wash your apple?
My apple.
You washing your apple?
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
With a pipe, please. Daddy, I can't eat it.
Yeah, man, I can't eat the apple, man.
Bite it, let me see.
Yeah.
It's sweet.
Yeah, man.
Sweet?
Fresh apple. Wait.
Good.
Yeah, man.
How is that? You like it?
Yeah.
You like it? Nice.
Big bite.
Good job, Kai. Jaden is on Big Brother duties. Right, Jay?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, we're about to start cut a tree now. Our belly, cut out piece of it, and drop it to the direction there. The left hand side of me.
So this is the tree, right?
Yeah.
And you're gonna drop it in this direction.
Yeah, yeah.
But how you cut it to drop it in that direction?
Well, I'll take out piece, cut it from here. Take out piece and then I go back at it. Take out the back of it, drop it over there.
So you have to push it over?
No, no, for push it. Just cut and the weight to carry it. Direct.
You might drop it in and over there, so.
Tree is huge.
No, no, that's right.
So about how much year old is a tree like this?
Right? It now go to direction. Yeah, the weight. What are the weight?
To the weight right there.
Oh, that big limit right here, so. Okay.
Okay. So about how old would be a tree this size?
This side?
A cedar tree this? What kind of tree this?
Cedar.
Cedar.
Well, probably roughly a cedar tree around like roughly 110 years. And cedar grow very fast, you know.
Oh, okay.
Oh.
So cedar is good all 10 years.
Okay. So some you cut out already, Rusty? This cut already?
Cut and grow back.
Oh, it can cut and grow back?
Yeah, it will grow back, yeah.
So how do you get like a new cedar tree?
You can get the sucker and plant back the sucker.
Oh, yeah, you know how to transplant it?
Yeah, it can just grow up. The same cedar tree,
Drop seed.
drop seed, seed grow up.
Sucker.
Oh.
If you don't want to move it from where there,
Yeah.
you can make it grow there.
Yeah.
More you can transplant it.
Basically cut out that chunk right on the edge and be careful, it's really dangerous. I can get that piece of it.
Yeah. Yeah. A nice piece of cedar, yeah?
Nice.
Look at this.
And look how many want to carry party. Jeez.
Pretty, man.
Here we go.
Hey, you can smell the cedar too, man.
Yeah.
Nice cedar smell. Alright. So how this look?
Yeah, man, it's alright, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Look right through.
Yeah, it's very right.
Look
Yeah.
right.
Yeah, man, it's very right.
When I mean right means you're ready, like.
Yeah, man, ready for cut, man. Well, man,
Okay.
man.
Board order.
Okay. So you measure now.
Yeah, the length. Based on the length of where you want.
Oh, yeah. If you don't know what you want.
What are you talk?
Come on, you know exactly what to do.
Okay. Right, so we need few doors, door jam. Me da want the door jam be the whole length of concrete. The whole length of the wall. You know some door jams stop.
7.
Eh?
You
I mean the width of the concrete me attack, like go cross
the width when
about
you cut them right now.
a 6-inch block, so about 6 inch.
Now cut them and when the man will make it,
Yeah.
he will cut it to the width of the wall where he mount.
Okay, so what width you are gonna make it?
Now cut them as broad enough.
Okay.
Now cut them like 8, any width the tree can give me like 8, 9, whatever.
Okay.
So deal with it like that.
Okay. The thing is, with the finishing what I want, with the door jam, I want it. I don't want it stop piece. I know sometimes when you see some door jam in the piece, I want to go right cross.
Just like how Chris want them make. I say my top. But the man them know for deal with that.
Make it go right cross and then you can put all the molding on the door jam. You know, so it have a nice look, you know. So yeah man. Alright. Same I go cut them 7 feet. 7 feet in height. And of course you have the one overhead too. Yeah, and then like 2.5 inches the thickness. Yeah.
Babe, I would like natural coasters, alright? So wood coasters.
Yeah.
So they see that the small branches, the tiny branches,
Yeah.
you can cut those into even ones, but I want
section.
two, exactly, but I want 2 sets.
You want to circle them with the bark and everything on it.
Yes, I want 2 sets of 5, alright? I also want serving trays, natural serving trays, so I want about 5 of those. So when I'm having any event or anything, I can serve food on those.
So show them kind of give them an idea as to what you are talking.
Yes.
So like this, it is that
So it would be like,
so kind of like this.
show them afterwards.
It is that like cutting at the perfect circle. So you have some branch with a perfect circle,
Yes.
and it will be cut evenly as well.
So you cut a cross section.
Yeah.
That it has a nice perfect shape and it's nice and it's really good.
Alright, so we really do right now. We really do now.
Make some block. Put the board and the rest on the ground.
Okay.
Cut up the touch it there, you know.
Okay. Get you. Alright, only for sunlight, so you can plant up all the things them you know.
Yes, my brother.
Yeah, man. So part of the reason to why we have to cut out the tree,
Right.
so we can do more farming.
Right.
You understand? So you have more sunlight, really the place get bright now. You know?
And just we take the berry them, you know. You see beer berry them on the cement that you go there and take a look and you can check you can stop and bury them.
Oh yeah. Yes. So basically they want to set them up so that they can slice them up. You know? Yeah man. Set them up for slice right away. So this is a one plank.
Yeah, no, that is a 1-inch board.
1-inch board. So 1-inch board make used to make?
Can you make any little furniture, anything you make?
Furniture. Okay, furniture. So like a pit stop here now, you put him back fuel.
Yeah.
I put him back in fuel. So, yeah, same man, get a nice little shape, you know? square shape where you can just slice up and get him neat slices out of it. Yeah. That was gasoline?
Yeah.
What, 87?
90.
90.
Yeah. Mix it 2 stroke, 2 cycle. 90 mix it 2 cycle.
Oh, so that's all good one buckle of thing where you buy differently?
Yeah, still yeah.
Okay.
Company make us use this oil, you know?
Okay. Yeah. And this is our engine oil?
Yeah, the engine oil.
Okay. Yeah.
Engine oil, I the chain.
Yes.
Lubricate the chain, huh?
Yeah, man. I'm clean shoes, watch it. Pure sawdust. You get this about?
Yeah.
And fly?
Yeah, to bus and fly.
And injure people?
Yeah, no real, yeah, if you're there, like the length height before it.
The length before it?
Yeah.
But the whole line now go fly away?
Oh, it now fly.
Oh, it now go fly?
The bus it flick over into the object.
Oh, so you just stay within a few feet at the chain, at the saw?
Yeah.
So if you even bus it, will stay?
Stay. You know, the...
Okay. I get you. Okay. Alright.
And this is not the tin boss, man.
Oh, it's almost 16 inch, the thickness.
Yeah.
Wow.
I'll just I'll get the right thing where you want it.
Yeah.
Because the black we have a 6 inch
6
black.
inch black, yes.
There, see? I'll get more tools door jam out of.
Yeah. Yeah, man.
Everything. Then I'll cut them in. Yeah, no. The door you have to make
Door, okay.
You want the panel and out of them sharp. The panel will be the door will be like 3 foot.
Yes, 3 feet exactly. Yeah.
Right, so.
Yeah, the front door 3 feet.
So when you dress up and clear up, you have all of them to make the panel.
Okay, so this we can make what, 1 door? This is so.
You get more one. You get more 1 door out of them. Remember you get 2. So the door jam out of them.
Oh, 2 length of this give me all of my door jam?
No, 1 of them, you get 2.
1 of them?
Yes, the door itself where you make,
yes,
a different from the jam. You can get 1 3 piece out of 1. Them 1 inch and one I cut. I call the bed base.
Yes.
The connection rail.
Yeah, connect the rail, yes.
Rail.
That one, the 1 inch?
Yeah.
Okay, that's the 1 here, right here, so? Can you give me my bed rail then? Yes. I realize you cut different thickness.
Yeah, man.
You cut what? This a 2 inch.
2 inch, yeah.
You cut 2 inch, and you cut 1 inch. Okay. Yeah, you throw down a 1 inch over there, so
yeah, 1 piece over there. You have all the good type of stuff to make any little thing you want.
Yes.
You make even a dress, you have to make the draw them.
Yeah, man. Yep. So my lad now, so how long them I take for dry? We can start sand down and use?
Roughly 3 months.
Oh, 3 months you would have say?
Yeah, 3 months.
Okay.
Good dry.
Bone dry?
Yeah.
Okay.
First I like a town you go have them. Okay.
Yeah.
And then up here dry. The time I
You carry them down?
when I dry them now we there. You don't put them in the sun.
Oh, okay, you don't put them in the sun?
You give them the sun dry. They will crack it and bust.
Okay.
You call it now. Cool shade dry now.
Cool shade dry, okay.
Them on the shade and dry off of them one.
Yes. Okay.
You get a solid about.
Okay.
And then dry in the sun. Now bend up and now crack up and give the French man hold it for problem.
Okay, like more sanding and...
Yeah, and you must go fill out with enough body fill up and if you fill out.
Yes. Yes.
get ready. If I went to 9 days, so I'm going to do that thing.
Yeah, man, let's see. Let's go grab your man.
Yeah, man, man.
You can go for him.
Yeah.
Young boy, man, I'm strong enough.
It's like a slab of concrete, you know, man. Solid, man.
And the bark is so easy to come off rusty like that.
Yeah, yeah.
The bark just slides off.
Yeah. Wet.
It's wet.
See that?
But the right time in there, see that street there, I rock, it just starts spoiling up. Yeah.
Okay.
Watch it.
Look, you look.
Yeah.
Drop him young man.
I'm about to fight.
Yeah, that's the one they need. And put this star. And pour that can't mess you know. Pour. You know can't mess there.
Then a board. I know what you want to do. You know why chaser?
Yeah, mommy. Yeah, mom, I'm going to roll it off.
See water there.
It's a white tile.
I'm going for the cigarette. I'm going to
Why are you doing that, Jade?
When it's a boom business, you know, when it's a coffee.
A true, man.
a couple of yeah. No, something, you know, man, you're a man.
Fine. One man walk and stagger.
You're really wrong, man.
Them things you have to leave in that bush motor, you know?
Yeah.
Yay. Yay. Come dirty. Peace on. Bye-bye.
Shape like East Indian. It have a little rounder shape. Nice, man. Wow. Yeah, this pretty, man. Pretty. Oh. Yeah, man, so the man them say is when the place clear up with the lumber them, the East Indian them can grow better, the pimento them can grow better and beer better, you know. So and I just when I just take from the land just willy-nilly, so you see. Yeah. More production when the place free. Okay. To make it spring back better.
Here good.
Yeah, yeah. All them little style there.
I'm gonna say easy them fruit trees.
Okay. Yeah, man. They may come off of they have one limb where the cedar tree knock off. So him take up, you have to take up some of them fitter one them, you know? Yeah, man. But then you know, I will just pick a while ago. Yeah, man. Yeah. You put the battery ripe on them on top. Yep. Yeah, yeah. Oh yeah, so man. But same time of East Indian are the original East Indian. Yes, man.
Done quick.
Done.
Go all chill on them, obey them place, then I tell.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. I drop down there and say, yo, St. Thomas, you know. The most of the people imitate it, you know. Yeah, everybody says, St. Thomas, man. You don't know what the next one.
Yeah. Look for the size of this.
And I watch it. Yeah, right.
For the size of this, man. And all this. Watch ya. Watch ya. Man, massive. And yeah, we have land back here, so go up to the hill here, so. And on the other side too. Yeah. So I mean, St. Thomas is on the up and up now, you know. You know? So trust me, man. You know? Yeah, so the mansion them all coming, man. You see it soon. Yeah, man. You see all them place, yeah? Full of lumber and them things. This is one more cedar right here, so you know. Cedar this, right? So one more cedar. This all cut, you know. One more cedar this. 2 pimento tree this right here, so 1, 2 pimento. You know what I mean? And other lumber in the hill same way. You know? Yes, man. This thing and then, Yep. Pimento tree berry there. See them there? Pimento is soon ready, you know?
Yeah, man. See them
by a month time they're ready.
Yeah, man. Less than
black
a month.
and pretty.
Less than a month, man.
Also them come off green and then them dry and get black.
Yeah.
Yeah, pimento.
Yeah, man. See them,
yeah. Tree loaded with pimento. Simple as you see it. Yeah, man. Soon can get some holy pimento. Yeah. Pimento get expensive too, you know, man. Pimento get dear, man. 1 little bag, so, $200.
The grandfather place,
yeah.
Whenever the wildfire, man, $1, 2, 3, 4, 5 crocus bags for sell, man.
Yeah.
Enough.
True.
Yeah, man. The wildfire burn down the whole of the tree. The whole of them inside.
Oh, from the hill, yeah, I remember, man. The hill cannot spring back, you know. Through the hill, you see right through the tree, then they saw that hill, the whole of the hillside burn right, come down to ground level, the whole of the burn out. So down to ground level, we have some more land over on the side there, you know. Yeah. Really nice place, you know, guys. So the family, them gone in the car, gone chill out, you know. Yeah, no shelter not there, so.